certainly striving toward something that will be remarkable. This journey, this experience, creating a HTTP controller for Denon receivers. I'll say Denon receivers, but obviously we want this to be something that is universal at some point. Really remarkable. I'll show you some clips of what we are going to be transforming. This is not the whole thing, but you see some shots underneath the stairs here in my dad's house. And one of these shots will include one of the receivers with which we'll be working. Turning out really, really well. Internet of Things, a big part of what we're doing. In fact, this Raspberry Pi Zero W, I think you can see that, yeah. Integral piece of what we're putting together. So we're going to have at least one of these per receiver, and this will serve as an AirPlay destination. So from an iDevice or an Apple TV, you'll be able to send media to this device, and the receiver to which it is connected will be able to route the audio from this device to one of the zones controlled by said receiver. And the user experience, user interface for controlling the receivers, I can't remember how much we've detailed that, but from a browser, they'll be able to choose where they want the audio to end up. So pretty happy with the progress. And actually, it's just about midnight here, and hopefully I can get this video posted before midnight to keep my daily video streak alive. But I don't know. I got 7 minutes to do that. May not happen. Still have to edit it. But yeah, just a quick one to show a little bit of the hardware with which we'll be working, some footage of what we'll be transforming, and obviously once it is transformed, we'll have some more, I said footage, some photos of what we'll be transforming, and once we're done, I'll have some updates to that as well. But yeah, I'll end this one here. Hope you're doing well, and you'll see me in the next one.